Today I had the privilege to drive with this Bentley 3 liters from 1927. It was a unique experience as there are not many around nowadays. Today this machine is worth a lot, but what people forget is that within a production area we leave untrained employees to run a machine that sometimes costs way much more. I'm not trained to drive a double clutched gearbox, so the owner will not allow me to drive it myself, in which I think he's fully correct. But what about all those employees within the production area that we leave untrained, incorrectly trained, insufficiently trained? What do you think will be the effect on performance, breakdown level, short stops, ownership, and their trust in their own capabilities? Please share with me your opinion regarding that in the comments below.